How we doing today, folks? Welcome here to Kissimmee River Hunt and Fish. I'm Dwayne Powell, the owner and guide. I got my buddy in here, Felipe. Next couple days we do a trophy hunt. He's been hunting with us for a while now. Felipe, would you like to tell the folks out there about Kissimmee River Hunt and Fish?
Kissimmee River Hunt and Fish has a little bit for everybody. They got from wild turkeys to hog to deer. Dwayne's been an amazing guy to learn a lot from him. Very patient. Puts you on, the kind of animals that you want. If you don't see the animal that you want when you first come out, he works with you, he teaches you, he helps you. And he really helps you to get a lifetime, lifetime trophy, something you're going to be proud to hang on your wall and pass down to your kids.
Thank you, Felipe. I appreciate that. Well, folks, stay tuned. We'll see if we can get this trophy hog the next couple days. Thank you. Best way to do it, just what we've done. Felipe.
Yes, sir.
Good job, brother.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, folks, stay tuned. We're going to get some still pics. Woo! That's what it's about, folks. Kissimmee River Hunt and Fish. It's about having a good time, being successful, and being safe. That's what we're here for.
Yes, sir.
How do you feel?
Redeemed.
Redeemed, baby. Sweet. Sweet. You're welcome, buddy. You're welcome. We had 2 trophies come in. We sat for how long, guys? We let them ones that come in that's been around for a long time.
Oh, he's gorgeous.
Hey, that's a nice mount.
Nice.
That's your blue rusty right there. And you wanted something different. You don't get no more different than that.
Yes, sir.
Woo. They make a nice mount. Oh yeah. Woo! You get the chuck, brother.
Where'd I hit him the first time? Behind the neck, right?
Right. It looked like right in that shoulder. Let him get done kicking and we'll get him looked at.
It's exactly what I told you. Brand new rifle, still figuring it out. Barrel's very, very light compared to my Savage Ultra. This is a Savage Ultra 10. The other one's a Savage High Country. Heavy, heavy barrel. The mistake I made this morning was I wasn't counting on how light this barrel was. When I held this gun down and I pulled that trigger, he went straight down. So, very, very happy.
Felipe, congratulations on your hunt for 2 days.
Thank you, sir.
We started this and we let the folks out here know in the world that we had 2 days to work on your trophy hog here at Kissimmee River Hunting Fish. By God, we got it done, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Folks, I hope y'all enjoyed. Mr. Ken done a heck of a job videoing for us. And we appreciate y'all.
Thank you.
Y'all give us a call and come on and get us some hunts in. Once again, Dwayne Powell, the owner of Kissimmee River Hunting Fish. Thank y'all.
Thank you.